Hey, what's up Chemical Guys family, and welcome to a brand new video. So we're right in the middle of the winter season, which means that it's cold and nobody wants to be outside detailing their cars. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and protect your wheels within the comfort of your own garage and without running water with just a few simple Chemical Guys products. Let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to start off with is the tires. So if you guys take a look up close, these tires, they may not look bad, but if I rub my hand on the tires and I just go ahead and just rub it a little bit, you'll see that there's a lot of dirt and grime on those tires. Now a lot of this stuff is just dirt and grime that you collect while you're on the road, and a lot of it can also be previous dressings you've applied to your tires. Now, in order to have the best shine and durable, long-lasting protection on your tires is to remove all this stuff, and you can do so with something like our Nonsense Invisible All-Purpose Super Cleaner paired with our nifty brush. Now, this combination of products is great because you can spray this directly onto your tire and onto your brush to scrub away dirt, grime, embedded oils, and previous dressings sitting on your tires. That way it's bare and it's clean and you don't have this black stuff on your fingers going on. So I'm going to go ahead and begin by cleaning the tires by spraying Nonsense All-Purpose Super Cleaner directly onto the surface and beginning to scrub with my nifty brush. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've been scrubbing for a little while now, and you can see it's doing an incredible job because all that white foam has turned brown and my hand is all covered in gunk, and now we know it's safe to wipe off. Now, one thing I do want to mention before we go any further is product choice. Now, the reason that I chose Nonsense to begin with is because it's colorless, it's odorless, and it's pH neutral, which means that even if it does get on my wheels, it's not going to harm any finish because it's non-acidic, so it's not going to damage the finish of it. And you can actually just wipe it off. You actually don't need any kind of running water to rinse this product off. It's actually very easy to remove with just a microfiber towel. And as you guys can see, the tire looks a lot better than what it was. I mean, I know that we haven't applied any kind of tire shine on it whatsoever, but it's just really reviving that overall factory look again. It's just giving it that nice natural black look all over again without the added dirt, grime, and oils that are embedded on it. So now that we've deep cleaned our tire to perfection, now it's time to clean the wheel. So as you guys saw, I got a ton of Nonsense overspray onto my wheel. Who cares, because now we're gonna clean the wheel. So pro tip, whenever it comes to cleaning your wheels, clean your tires first, then your wheels, because the last thing that you want to worry about is cleaning your wheels, then have to clean your tires, because then all the oils and dirt from the tires get onto the wheel and you have to kind of clean backwards, so it's not really worth it. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean your wheels with one product without any kind of running water whatsoever using our HydroGlide ceramic waterless wash. Now, if you guys have heard of our EcoSmart or our Swift Wipe waterless wash, HydroGlide is those waterless washes on steroids. So this basically takes waterless wash to the next level with the power and shine and protection of a ceramic coating. So with this product, it's extremely easy to use. You would use it just like as you would any other waterless wash. Simply spray the surface. And then what you want to do is grab yourself a microfiber towel, and then you're simply going to start wiping it down. But whenever it comes to wiping down your wheels, you want to make sure that you take extra precautions because your wheels are coated with much more abrasive particles than your paint normally is. So what I mean by that is your wheels are coated with fine ferrous metals from the brake dust and your brake pads. So you want to make sure that whenever you're wiping, you flip your towel constantly. That way you don't create any kind of hard dirt lines on your towel. That way you don't scratch up the finish of your wheel, because the last thing that you want to worry about is scratching up the finish of your wheel when you're just trying to clean them up. And the great thing about HydroGlide is that it's ceramic based. So as you clean, you're actually coating your wheels with a ceramic protectant and a ceramic level of shine. So for all you guys out there who are driving during this winter, this is going to help protect your wheels against anything like salt from penetrating the finish of your wheels, thus creating kind of rust spots and damaging the wheels entirely. And then another thing to keep in mind is whenever you wipe, feel free to come back with the dry side of your microfiber towel and just kind of revisit the areas that you've already wiped, just to make sure you buff off any excess and buff in that layer of ceramic to your wheels. And then on that second pass, you're gonna feel that your wheels actually feel a whole lot slicker because that ceramic has had enough time to kind of flash on the surface, and you're simply just buffing off the residue to ensure that perfect shine and layer protection. So now that the wheel and the tire is clean, now all that there's left to do is to protect and shine the tires. Now to do that, we're gonna be using our Galactic Black Wet Look Tire Shine Dressing. And this is a great product to really just give your tires that nice, deep, rich, wet shine and that super durable layer protection, because this product is oil-based. And for those of you guys who don't know, the difference between a water-based and an oil-based product obviously is that the oil-based contains oil, which contains special hydrophobic properties that actually withstand the inclement weather conditions, whereas a water-based dressing can work out great for your tires and trim on the exterior, but it's better suited for areas that are more dry or hot. Depending on where you live at, you know, if you live in a wet weather area, Galactic Black oil-based dressings are also going to work out best for you. So that's what we're going to be using today. So all you have to do to apply this is have a microfiber applicator, spray directly onto the microfiber applicator, and then all you want to do is simply apply it. And you'll see that since the surface is clean, this is going to go on beautifully. It's not going to be all blotchy, it's not going to dry up on us, and it's actually going to do an incredible job at lasting a very long time with those beautiful clean results. And that's one of the things I do want to emphasize is, a lot of you guys often ask us on our social media, is it really necessary to clean the tire before you apply a tire shine? My honest recommendation would be yes. Now obviously you can do whatever you like. If you want to clean the tire, great. If you don't want to clean the tire, that's on you. But I would highly encourage it, just because by cleaning your tire, you're removing anything that's sitting on your tire that could potentially interfere with the bond of your tire shine dressing. So just as you would whenever you paint a car, you would sand it and prepare it for that coat of paint. And it's the exact same process when it comes to your tires. You want to make sure that it's clean and it's prepped before you apply a coat of tire dressing, because that's going to ensure that it shines its best and lasts its longest. All right guys, and that's gonna wrap it up for this video. As you guys saw, I was just quickly wiping down the surface of the tire with a dry microfiber towel. Pro tip, do that to wipe off any excess product sticking on the surface, to tone down the shine and to ensure a fully dry to the touch finish. So as you guys saw, using a few Chemical Guys products, it's that easy to deep clean your wheels and tires within the comfort of your own garage and without any kind of running water whatsoever. Now on today's video, we did use our Nonsense all-purpose super cleaner, our HydroGlide ceramic waterless wash, and last but not least, our Galactic Black Wet Look Tire Shine Dressing, which can also be used on trim. Even though it's called Wet Look Tire Shine Dressing, you can actually use it on exterior rubber trim and rubber seals as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. As always, if you guys want to pick up any of the products that you guys see on today's video, they're going to be linked in the description and in the pinned comment down below. So make sure to check those out if you guys want to pick them up. And you can also pick them up at your local detail garage store. As always, my name is Joey, this is Chemical Guys, and we'll see you guys next time.